Access group. We will start today with the first course, which is AutoCAD course. What's the AutoCAD program? AutoCAD is a program for 2D drawings from Autodesk company, and it's a program for architects, engineers, and interior designer. Well, when we click on AutoCAD, it's open this interface. Here, we found the recent documents with the files we opened recently. And this is the Start a Drawing tab. If we click on it, appears this workspace. Okay, we will quickly get to know the program commands and how can I edit the setting in a program. This workspace has two axes, which is X and Y. This grid helps us with accurate drawing. If we need to hide this, I click on this icon, Display Drawing Grid. It's turned off. This menu is a ribbon, which includes tabs like Home, Insert, Annotate, and every tab has a panel, which includes groups of tools we will use. For example, the Drawing panel has every draw commands. Modify panel have every modify commands. Annotation panel have every annotate commands. Well, this bar is very important. If we don't have it, we click on this icon and choose Show Menu Bar. Because I have this bar, it's apparent hide. We will hide it. And now, to show this again, we choose Show Menu Bar. Okay, this box is a command line for write commands I need to do in a program. If we need to hide it, we click this close signal or press Ctrl 9 on keyboard. It's open this message asks us if we need to close the command line. We click yes. Now, how can we show a command line again? By press Ctrl 9. Well, how can we edit the unit now? By press UN on a keyboard and choose unit, it's appear drawing unit menu. Then, we can change unit from millimeters to meters or any units we want to use. Then you click OK. Now, how can we edit the setting in a program? Go option by press right click on a mouse and choose option, or write OP on a keyboard and choose option. The last method is a click on a program logo and choose it from here. Here appears this menu. Go to display. We found the color schemes, it's a light. If we want to change it to dark, we choose a dark and press apply. It's look like this. If we go to change workspace color to any color, for example, choose a white and apply, it's look like this. Anyway, I prefer black color. Go now to open and save. In save as, we choose old version to save, like 2007. We change the version because it will be able to open on every AutoCAD version. And from here, we want to activate this to save automatically every 5 minutes or what you want. Okay, now close this menu. Let's go now to learn how can we repeat the last comments we used. For example, if we choose line comment and draw some lines, then we went out from this comment by press on escape or space on a keyboard. And now we need to use this comment again. We press on a right click on a mouse and choose repeat line, or we can make it more easier by go option, choose user preference, then click on a right click customization, then active this, and this stay as it, and this active enter, then apply and OK. Now, if we use line or any comments and a drawing then went out of comments and now want to use this again, we press right click on the mouse, it takes us to the last command we use. Now we want to differentiate between select from right to left and left to right. Okay, if we select from right to left, anything the green rectangle cuts, it will be selected. While if we select from left to right, anything into blue rectangle will be selected without cutting lines. Finally, come now to the last step, which is how we can save project files. If we save our project for the first time, we need to choose Save As. While if we save our project in advance, we choose Save. I can save by click on this icon and choose Save or Save As, or go to File and choose Save or Save As, or the easier methods, press Ctrl S on a keyboard. It will be saved. We will stop for here. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. We will continue in the next tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like, share, and goodbye.